work in this tiny food processor, making some hummus.
Here and there. This is not
So far, so good. Got extra liquid in there to add when I need it. Okay, there it is. Looks good. It was a little tight in there, but it worked. Hi, it's Debbie. This is the Mother Lode cake from the Golden Nugget. And it is so delicious. Let's see if I can get this open. Hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, here it is. It's so scrumptious. It's Mother Lode cake. And we cut it into 6 slices. You cut it right there where the frosting is. Okay, here is the first 2 slices. But it is so scrumptious.
You learn Turkish. They want to see how.
So you know, I think for many decades, what was going on was we had to ask yourself